The truck unloads the entire harvest directly into a large receiving hopper. Conveyor belts carry the fruit to the next stage of production. Without stopping the production line, the guavas enter a fully automated washing system. High-pressure water jets and soft rotating brushes remove dust, leaves, and surface impurities. After washing, the whole guavas move directly into powerful crushing machines. The fruit is broken down into a smooth, fresh pulp, creating the base ingredient for delicious guava juice. The crushed guava pulp now passes through a refining system. Hard seeds and peel are automatically separated, leaving behind a smooth, rich that is ready for the next stage of juice production.
Next, the refined guava puree is blended with purified water and other carefully measured ingredients. Powerful mixers create a smooth, balanced juice with To ensure safety, the guava juice is pasteurized. It is heated to destroy harmful microorganisms and then rapidly cooled. This maintains its natural taste, color, and quality.
The freshly pasteurized guava juice is filled into sterilized bottles with high precision. Each bottle is automatically sealed to keep the juice fresh, safe, and ready for packaging. After passing final quality inspection, every bottle is labeled, packed into cartons, and stacked onto pallets to enjoy a fresh and delicious drink. From fresh guavas harvested in the orchard to advanced factory processing, every step ensures quality, freshness, and great taste. Now the journey is complete, ready to